The day that Emily was born, I held her in my arms, and the first thing I thought of was, please God, help her find somebody who will treat her like gold. And today my answers were prayer. My answers were prayer. My prayers were answered.
Emily Charlotte Brundle and Anthony Clint Prasad, you are here today to be a devoted married couple. Marriage is a voluntary and full commitment of one person to another, made in the deepest sense, with the intention that it will last for a lifetime. By entering into marriage, you promise each other the sense of solidarity and support in all walks of life. But you promise each other more. Marriage means that you promise each other's love and faithfulness, to love each other's love for life. Do you promise this to each other?
We do.
I do. Oh my God.
I want you so, even if you don't.
Anywhere would have been great. Anytime would have been great, because it's not about either, but rather it is about these two fine souls coming together. Sorry. This location is pretty spot on, so big hand for Disney, yay. When writing this, I had asked various people for adjectives to describe Emily, and there was a whole bunch of them. The list went on, but I'm just going to ask you guys to shout them out now as we go. A list of adjectives to describe Emily. Let's go. Spicy? What the?
Here with the squad, everybody tryna go, yeah, the party jumping off, and we putting on a show, tryna catch a vibe, we do this every time, like, na 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 na, feeling like I'm on the highway, cause everything been going my way, and now they looking at me sideways, I'm like, na 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 na, this is where I wanna be, na na na, never ever gonna leave.
I first saw the depth of love that you have for each other when Clint had done something silly in front of Emily for the first time. Something that he wouldn't normally do in front of everybody, or anyone really. And when he realized where he was and who he was doing this in front of, he looked at Emily, expecting some sort of disapproval. But with the biggest smile on her face, she simply stared back, and you could tell that she realized that he was just as big of a weirdo as she was. And that made them absolutely perfect for each other.
I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like, na 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 na. You better know we ain't never going home. Ain't never going home. You better know we ain't never going home.
Promise to love you when life seems easy and when it seems hard. When our love is simple and when it is an effort. Promise to hold you in the highest regard. These things I give to you now and throughout the seasons of our lives.
You're someone I need all the time. You and me, even if the strain was gone, I would stay and stay alone.
Emily and Anthony, in front of God, your family and friends, and by virtue of the authority vested in me under the laws of the state of Florida, it is with absolute delight I pronounce you husband and wife. Anthony, you may kiss your bride.